So in one house, treasures. Smells like cigarette smoke in here, bad. Super stinky. Whoa. Christmas is here for me. Oh, kids always destroyed lines. These kids had everything. Tons of toys. I never had this many. Ooh, gross. An Xbox controller. With no back. Oh, it's the one with the batteries like that. It's grimy. That's gross. Yep. Any cool stuff? Never. Never anything cool. It smells like cigarettes in here. Cario. Not too bad though for a single dad. 2 kids. Nice flooring. Oh, the windows are new here. Really? Oh, wow. These are big windows. Yeah, those are nice new windows. Huge. Oh, someone left their shoes there. And some more shoes. Power on? Yeah. Stove. Huh. Well, very messy. I don't wash dishes, better in my house. They were moving, so it's a little messy. Just bathroom. Very nice. Towels, nice. Nice toilet, nice poop hole. Yeah. Clean poop hole. You call it chaos, we call it family in that direction. Excellente. This is where the guy, super dad, had his magic 3 mattresses because he went thumping. More windows were taken off. Carpet's just a little dirty. And so is everything. Just a little bit. It was spotless. Oh yeah, I see why he wants the windows now. Yeah, those are nice windows. Anything else? No. Toilet? No. Vanity? No. Sink? No. Awesome. Those inboard ones. Cool. Don't see those anymore. No, these light bulbs missing. I guess he had a girlfriend maybe? Or there's a razor in the shower. Well, kids like to bathe. Art. Don't know. Night lights. Stove. Not much of a baker guy. But yeah, this is a nice stove still, so we're gonna keep it. Oh. Yeah. Oh, dented. Makes me look clean. Gas card. A wrenchy thing. Candies. Juice boxes. Brick cleaner. Yes, it's filled. Score. Yeah. I don't know if this is all our treasures in the car. Oh, they left this. Gorgeous. Oh, man. Gotta do antibacterial soap.
In a door, so probably by the disc you can open.
Yeah, that doesn't.
Here he gave me the key. Why
Yeah.
you have to do it? You don't have to waste.
What?